Light is fascinating. It's all around us, allowing us to see the world. But have you ever stopped to think about how it works? One of the most fundamental properties of light is that it travels in straight lines. We can see this in a simple experiment. Imagine a cardboard box with a small hole on one side. Place a lit candle on the opposite side. When you look through the hole, you'll see the candlelight. This is because the light from the candle travels in a straight line through the hole and into your eye. If light didn't travel in straight lines, we wouldn't see a clear image of the candle flame. Instead, the light would scatter in all directions, making it impossible to see anything clearly. This property of light is used in many everyday applications. For instance, when you use a flashlight, the light beam travels in a straight line, illuminating objects in its path. Even the shadows we see are a result of light traveling in straight lines. Now let's talk about reflections. When light encounters a surface, it can bounce back, just like a ball bouncing off a wall. This is called reflection. The most common example of reflection is a mirror. When you stand in front of a mirror, light from your body hits the mirror's surface and bounces back into your eyes. This is why you see your reflection. But have you ever noticed that a mirror flips your image left to right, but not up and down? Imagine holding a toy car facing the mirror. The reflection shows the car facing the opposite direction, as if it's been flipped horizontally. This happens because the light bouncing off the mirror reverses the image's left and right sides but keeps the top and bottom the same. Lenses are another fascinating example of how we can manipulate light. They are curved pieces of glass or plastic that can bend light in specific ways. There are two main types of lenses, convex and concave. Convex lenses are thicker in the middle and thinner at the edges. They converge light rays, meaning they bring them closer together. This makes objects viewed through a convex lens appear magnified or larger than they actually are. Think of a magnifying glass used to examine tiny insects. That's a convex lens at work. Concave lenses, on the other hand, are thinner in the middle and thicker at the edges. They diverge light rays, meaning they spread them apart. This makes objects viewed through a concave lens appear smaller than they really are. Concave lenses are often used in eyeglasses to correct nearsightedness, helping to focus light correctly onto the retina at the back of the eye. Rainbows and the spectrum of light. Have you ever wondered how rainbows are formed? They are a beautiful demonstration of how light is made up of different colors. Sunlight might seem white, but it actually contains all the colors of the rainbow combined. We can see these colors when light passes through a prism. A prism is a triangular piece of glass that bends different colors of light at different angles. This separation of colors is called dispersion. When sunlight passes through a prism, it spreads out into a spectrum of colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Rainbows are formed in a similar way. When sunlight hits raindrops in the air, the raindrops act like tiny prisms, bending and reflecting the light. This separates the sunlight into its different colors, creating the arc of a rainbow in the sky. Light's vital role. Light is essential for life. It allows us to see the world around us, from the tiniest details to the vast expanse of the universe. It helps plants grow, providing energy for photosynthesis. Light also plays a crucial role in communication, from the signals sent by fireflies to the fiber optic cables that carry internet data around the globe. So the next time you see a beam of sunlight streaming through a window, take a moment to appreciate the wonders of light. It travels in straight lines, reflects off surfaces, bends through lenses, and even reveals a hidden spectrum of colors. Keep exploring and experimenting, and you'll continue to discover amazing things about the world around you. See you in next learning session.